Welcome to Illuminous at Miami Beach. As we walk around, it's a magnificent display of lights, silk and steel. This is actually put on over at Parrot Jungle for the holiday season. Very unique, very cool. As we walk the trail of Luminousa, the parrots, the butterflies, the jellyfish, the flowers, the frogs, absolutely beautifully done. The toucan. This is all done with wire, silk, and lights. Very cool. One of a kind presentation in the good old Miami Jungle Island. We got the bee, to be or not to be, the dragonfly, gotta have the gorilla, and it looks like a snapping.
Man, I want those lights.
The iguanas, and of course the mushrooms, the butterfly, and the jellyfish up there. The flamingo, more butterflies, more mushrooms. Try to get a little close up here. As you can see, these is all wire framed with silk coating with lights internally. Very well done. The toucan, as we head to the great horned owl, the butterfly, and a make-believe of Flamingo Island. Very well done here at Jungle Island. The butterfly, more mushrooms, and of course we got to have the alligator, the mushroom tree behind it. Mushroom little trees here, everybody. Little, looks like interesting animals. And of course we have Lantern Island. Hundreds of lanterns hanging here in the trees. Reflection on the water at Jungle Island. And as we get into the jungle, we have the elephant. The parrots. And back to the king of the jungle. A little jungle music in the background. And of course, the owl, the parrot, who gives a hoot? More butterflies, more floral. Beautiful surroundings. The lit trees with the pelican there in the background. And it looks like we found Skull Island here in the jungle. Among the roses, Skull Island. The lit lanterns in the trees, going into Skull Island with the roses. Beautiful looking pieces of art. We make our way across the bridge. And over to the tiki hut we had the magnificent parrots. And as we head into Jellyfish Island, the leaves, the forestry, the jellyfish, the fish, sea coral, all from Illuminations. The pearl at Jungle Island. And the magnificent jungle tree at Jungle Island. As we make our way upwards on the walk through Jungle Island, the artwork is impeccable. Highly recommend to bring the family down for the holidays. It's a sight to see. As we wind our way up to the tiki hut. Historic. The walk as we continue through the many faces. The lantern trees. The faces of many. As we continue our walk through the historic ancient faces, the masks, the artistry that has put this together is incredible. And it continues through Jungle Island as we wind our way around the tiki hut. Bird paradise. here in Miami Beach. And as we spiral downward through Luminous at Jungle Island, just incredible artwork. A holiday, beautiful exhibit. Come join us. Come on down to Jungle Island here in Miami. Experience what no one has to offer. And as I see, we're coming up to the mushrooms, the butterflies, and it looks like the jaguar. Off to our right, coming up here. The jag. And across the way here on the walkway we have the frog. The leaves of the jungle, the butterflies, still the mushroom caps, and of course the frog. So spread the word, everybody. Come on down to Luminous at Jungle Island, an experience for the holiday you will never forget. And as we wrap up with the parrots in the jungle, come join us, everybody. Experience a once-in-a-lifetime holiday extravaganza. What a show. Hit subscribe, hit like, follow us on YouTube. And with that, Mr. Frog will be signing off.